In this video, I wanted to get a mini bike without spinning an arm and a leg because how would I be able to ride it? Alright y'all, we got the cheapest mini bike that you could possibly get on the market right now. It is $329 for this baby, brand new. It is made in, what's that word?
China. China? China, China, China. I have to have my China.
Alright, so just in case y'all end up getting one yourselves, I'm gonna give y'all a little tutorial. You won't even need the instructions, just follow along and you'll be straight.
Now, this is the big reveal.
When the mini bike arrives, it comes 80% complete, so even a toddler could put this together. And trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around for this video because I'm gonna sneak in the details on how to enter a 5-bike giveaway.
We got some bicycle lights.
Alright, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is pull this bad boy out of the box. If you're not strong enough to lift the 80-pound bike, go ask your grandma to do it. But my first impression of this bike is I'm wondering who got fired for making it this cheap.
Okay, so this thing comes out of the box. It is marvelous.
I mean, just look at it. It's beautiful. And don't even trip about it if you ain't got no tools. Hoverhearts sends you all the tools you need for the build. I don't know why, but just cutting up zip ties with a razor blade is the most fun and dangerous thing you could do. Don't cut yourself. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take the headlights out of the box, put this little thingy on it, and then put it onto the handlebars. If you do this after you install the handlebars onto the bike, it's gonna be a real pain in the butt to put on. Once you get your handy dandy headlight onto the handlebars, you wanna go ahead and unloosen the bolts to the handlebars. After you get done doing that, go ahead and unloosen the brake, and then unloosen the throttle, adjust them, and then tighten it back up real nice and snug. But not too snug, don't strip it. Then just prop the handlebars up on the bike, tighten them really well because you do not want to be flying off this thing going 110 miles per hour down the highway. Then you want to go ahead and loosen, slide off your axle, put your wheel there, and then slide the axle through. Then tighten up your axle. Very tight. Like so tight that the wheel's not gonna fall off while you're riding down the road. Don't strip it. Now it's time for the oil. I ended up using about a half a bottle of what they gave me. Now when you do your oil changes, you're probably gonna wanna use 10W30. Get it all super nice and lubed up. Ooh, now it's time for that gas. And I ain't talking about that gas you smoke. I'm talking about that gas station gas, that unleaded 87, you know what I'm saying? You could put some premium in here, but honestly, what's the point? It has one piston.
Gonna mix it around a little bit. Not really pulling that hard, just getting it mixed in a little bit. I don't wanna break the engine. Ready? One pull. Alright, so check this out, y'all. We got an iguana right here, and we got a lizard. Come here, buddy. Alright, y'all, this bad boy has got a 99cc engine, brake calipers, just like the ones they put on dirt bikes, really good quality. And it's overall just a beautiful bike. I mean, I've never seen a mini bike look this pretty. And we're gonna be putting it through all types of tests. It's gonna go through a full mini bike boot camp. Ready? Y'all ready? Listen. Y'all ready? LeBron James. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna take the limiter completely off now.
So it's just this little screw right here.
Alright, y'all, we out. We mobilized. Oh, this thing handles great. No, I ain't gonna lie, this thing low-key scooting. I can probably even outrun the cops. See what the speed is. It goes 29 miles per hour. Oh, we going on the big road. Speed limit 45, but we doing it. Woo! What's going on? What's going on over here? Oh, let's see what Harbor Freight's got going on over here.
Yo, they really out here taxing for these mini bikes, y'all. Would y'all rather pay $900 for a Coleman mini bike, or would you rather get a Hoverhearts mini bike for $300? Y'all let me know down in the comments. You could literally get this beautiful bike for a third of the price of one of these bikes. That's crazy, and they do the exact same thing. And look how prettier this bike looks.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm more than satisfied with this mini bike. I'm kind of hungry, bro. Let's go get some McDonald's. Oh, we really out here. Yo, what is the holdup? All right, we here. We made it to McDonald's.
How can I help you?
Could I get a large sweet tea and a chicken snack wrap? Thank you.
Did you have the ranch snack wrap and the sweet tea?
Yes.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
You too. Yo, we did it.
All right, yeah, we don't litter around here.
Going the back way. Well, nobody know about this route. I apologize if it get bumpy. It's gonna probably get pretty shaky. I feel like I'm gonna fall off this joint. This thing got my ass clapping. But so far it is holding up. You know, ain't nothing stopping this mini bike. How about a little brake test? We're gonna go full throttle. Come to a hard stop. I'd be going at least 30 right now. All right, we come to a stop, come to a stop. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey! Yo, what is better than riding around on a mini bike on a beautiful day like this? Yo, this is literally so fun. I can just go on an adventure on all the back roads, sidewalks, where people walking their dogs and kids. Is that a f***ing dog? Oh my gosh, that scared the piss out of me, dude. Look at this. Y'all see that? I thought I was gonna have to do some Starsky and Hutch stuff. Who put that up? Like, whoever did that is a dickhead. Yo, let's get out of here before we see a real one. Yo, check out this bridge. Ain't this just chill? All right, y'all. Up the hill we go. That little hill. No problem at all. That's perfect.
All right, y'all, it is just past midnight. We're gonna test out these headlights. Shut up. Yo, this is legit. These are actually really bright.
Lights, camera, action. Let's go. Yo, these are good. Hey, y'all want to go somewhere creepy? Y'all want to go to the graveyard? Let's go. Yo, let's get it. Oh, wow, this is kind of creepy. I'm the only one here. What if like a skeleton pops out? All right, I'm getting the hell out of here. I don't like this place. Why did I even come here? Who goes to a graveyard at midnight? Yo, I feel so alive. I'm just going. I'm just going. Don't do what I'm doing. What's up, y'all? I done traveled all 7 continents, and I still got a full tank of gas. Hoverhearts and I collaborated, and we're doing a 5-bike giveaway. They asked me to ask y'all how much y'all think this bike is gonna cost. You cannot give an estimate. It has to be the exact price. Comment it down below what you think this bike will cost.
And if you guess the correct price, you might just get a new e-bike at your front door. Good luck, everyone.